Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate this new extension that I found that could be very helpful. The extension is called Unshorten It. And what it does is it it does what it says. It unshortens something. So if you ever came across a shortened URL somewhere and you're like, oh, I don't know if I really want to click on that, because if you're trying to be internet safe, sometimes a link like this can be pretty scary because it doesn't really say anything about it. Now, I just created this link and put it on my webpage for this demonstration purposes so that you can see what Unshorten It does. So if you come across one of these shorteners, and there's all sorts of them, bit.ly is a popular one, but you see a lot of shortened URLs everywhere. But I want to know about this URL before I click on it. So what I can do when I have that extension installed, it's hard to see because I have a black background, but it's right up here. It's called Unshorten It. I can actually right click on that, and it says unshorten this link. And what it's going to do is going to pop into a new window, and it's actually going to tell you what the real destination is. Now, on popular sites, it might actually even show the web clip of the web page so that you can see it. And if you go ahead and you like that, you can actually go ahead and trust that extension and go right to that page. And that was a trusted extension. Like I said, I made this up for demonstration purposes. Also, Unshorten It works if sometimes you are working in an environment where URL shortened addresses are blocked. I know sometimes that some of the weird ones are blocked at my school, so I always have to wait till I get home to open it up. But now that I have this Unshorten It, I can actually look at it before I would go to open it up, and that's even safer. So give Unshorten It a try.